Hey guys, so welcome back to another video. So today I didn't trade that actively, but there was some good trades today, um, which I'm gonna show you. But yesterday I showed you guys that we had this orange algo, right? Also this teal, right? We got a perfect break around here at the orange, um, right here, right? And then your risk reward would have been this purple, right? You can clearly see that we tapered around here and like we bounced off, right? So this was the one, and then there was a microstructure trade right here as well to take it down here, right? Um, but yeah, I'm gonna go through that intraday as well as then the 5 minute if you want to see it, right? The orange is the blue in this, right? I have the colors mixed up, but why is my brush not okay? Right, so you go there, right? The blue, right? And this is the perfect right structure right here, right? And you want to be careful here because the purple was there, right? Like the purple tapering up here, so you wanted to wait for like a break of the purple to before you even enter the trade there. Even though you get this right, it's just the purple was kind of annoying, and you want to you want to be safe, right? If for example you take it too early, then you might get bounced off, right? Because again, we can't predict markets, we can only go as the market goes, right? That's the whole that's the whole point of algos, right? You follow the market and where it goes, right? um, then we had another microstructure right here, right? And this final drop down right here, right? Then this is where it bounced off purple right here, right? 30, right, on the same shit. So yeah, so now it did close this cup, right, as you guys can see. So we have to wait for this handle, right? See a potential break. So that's tomorrow hopefully, or even today. We have an hour and 10 minutes left of them, so it can drop, right? But wait for the structure to present itself. But I'm not gonna be trading anymore today. um, so I'm gonna make this video and just close it out today real quick. But now intraday, let me show you guys the trade, right? So here is the exact time that we broke orange. So here's the exact time right here, right? Right here, right? So that's here. So I waited for this like some to the orange, right? So here we got this pretty great break right here, right? This right shoulder. But again, you saw that purple, right? So you have to be really careful there. So what I just showed you from the 5 minute as well. So you have to be very careful because it can easily bounce up from here, right? Um, so you want to enter safely, like presumably over here, right? Um, then you can get guided down by the red algo right here, right? Um, but then the second entry was also when you saw that microstructure on the 5 minute that I showed you, um, right here, right? This great, beautiful liquidity grab off of the 50-day, right? The green 50-day right here, right? So we retested 50-day, and then this was a pretty good drop as well. This was actually a safe drop. Um, very good entry right here. And then you have to notice this tapering blue, right? Um, then you just wait for another structure, right? This is the last structure that I entered. Perfect right shoulder right there. And then we just bounced off here. The purple and bounced off. But again, you have to be careful because we do have purples here. So you do have to see a clear breakthrough. If you don't see a clear breakthrough, if you see ever the price action actually being what's the best way to put it, like if you ever see, like for example this candle right here, right? If you see that, that's not a that's not a clear break. When you see clear breaks like this, like pushes down below, right? That's a clear break, right? But if you have like, if you don't have strong momentum, right? This one, it was strong momentum. You can clearly see that, right? But if you don't see that strong momentum, or even if you see a green right here, that's a, I would usually protect more, or go out of my position clearly, and wait for another structure, right? The next structure I would have waited for was this break right here, right? Um, then re-entered right here, right? So yeah, it's all about trading safely and then managing your risk, because the purple is um, tapering, right? So you have to manage that risk well. Um, and this one was a pretty good trade there as well. Um, and then this one. So in total, there was 3 trades: one, two, and then 3, right? And then this one, I didn't really take this because I want to wait for at least the reclamation of the purple here, right? I want to wait for at least oh my god, I am so messy. Hold on. I want to wait for at least the reclamation of purple right here, right? And then close of this cup, right? And then some sort of handle of purple, right? Then possibly make highs. And then this red is going to be the obvious resistance, right? So you got to be mindful of that. But that is if you're headed up. And tomorrow we will get that defined move if you're headed up or down, right? So wait for that. And tomorrow's going to be a pretty good day in my opinion. The market is setting itself up whichever way it wants to go. So be patient. Don't rush into a trade at all tomorrow. Tomorrow, early, you should see, if you want to trade AM, wait for the defined structure, right? But I don't normally trade in the mornings like that of FOMC. Also, if you do, if you're not in profit this week, do not trade FOMC. Please do not. Only play with profits. That's the safest way to trade a FOMC. And FOMC, again, even if it's news, the market will always follow structure, right, guys? So it doesn't matter what the hell is happening. Wait for, even if we get this big candle down, right? Right? The market will always form some type of structure, okay? So wait for that structure. Don't take it without any structure. If you're headed up, yeah, clearly, right? I've seen FOMCs make like 5-point moves, and some days I've seen FOMCs make like 2 to 3-point moves, right? So it depends. Tomorrow's actually pretty well. Tomorrow, they're really, the market already factored in that we're not getting a um, rate like a rate deduction, right? So it's already factored. But if the Feds do cut rates, right? Then we are gonna see a really bullish move, at least a 5 to 7 point move, right? So look out for that. It's all about tomorrow and what the Fed Powell says. Okay. Anyways, see you guys tomorrow. Wait for, if you do see some good structure AM, don't overtrade it. That's pretty much it. And then 2:30 comes. Well, the report is already gonna come out at 2, so the market's gonna factor it in. So just wait for the structure, because the market will show itself to you before the report etc comes out, like, right? That's how the market is. It's like, also be careful of this blue as well, right? We are in this controlled algo. Wait for some clear breaks. Don't overtrade this, okay, guys? Anyway, see you guys tomorrow. Good luck tomorrow. Don't if you don't want to trade tomorrow, that's fine as well, right? Like today, I wasn't active except for this trade. Actually, this is the only trade I took. I'm not gonna lie, but I also slept in. Like, I have to be honest. Like, I woke up, right, but I woke up at like 11. Um, I don't know why. Yeah, it was so good. The AC. I woke up at like 8, but then the AC was so good, bro. Like, sometimes I'm like, oh, whatever. It's worth, my sleep is worth more than my money, right? That's how it. And I did good Monday, so I don't really care that I missed out. But I still took this trade, which is very good for me. But of course, I would have loved to catch this trade as well, because that's what I was setting up for since yesterday. But well, womp womp. Okay, anyways, guys. So are we clear? Or we? If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. Um, but I hope you guys can see all the structure, all this. This was a good break. I'm not gonna lie. But who cares? I'm not trying. See you guys tomorrow. Have a great day. And yes, I did. Yeah, I just did. I like stretched this video so it got to 10 minutes. My fault.